Here we are again. This is second map of the same match. Kids IP flooding us. As you can see here, we just tied it up 3-3. And yep, 3-3 right there. This is me, Twizzy time. Boom, I start. Kid goes to head glitch. Boom, he's done. Now we start moving in 2v1. So you can see this is the other team nading. He starts to stand still, right? As my guy is playing the bomb. He's not moving. He sits here while my guy is frozen on the bomb. IP flooding. Not moving whatsoever. Then Tay times out. And he goes to defuse the bomb. That, my friends, is another IP flood. 43-0 team that cannot lose because they're cheating in IP flooding.